Hello?
Hey,
Hi.
hey, what's up, brother?
Hey, I guess you got a problem with your water heater?
Yeah,
Okay.
right there. Yeah, my dad said all of a sudden he just stopped working.
Are you? Okay, so I thought I'd stop by and take a look at it. See if I can't get it running. So it went out, you guys tried to light it and it wouldn't come back?
Yeah, I pressed the thing, I tried to light it,
Uh-huh.
and nothing. My dad said is that this turned on for some reason.
Okay.
I really don't know.
Okay. All right, well, let me go. Okay, so doing a service call on a Rheem water heater. I'm just measuring the thermopile voltage. The valve is the pilot light's not coming on, or the status light. So we do have pilot. I'm able to get the pilot light lit. It's counting up right now with the voltage. So just measuring the voltage on it. It's either it doesn't have enough voltage, right, to power the LED, or maybe the cover is shot, like the motherboard's broken or something. So we'll know here in a minute. It's taking kind of a long time to count up, so it might be the thermopile. But I'll have to come back probably after work and then actually fix it. I was just in the area, and I have my tools, but I don't have any parts. Otherwise, I'd just do it when I'm here. You know?
Yeah.
So I figured I'd stop by and take a look at it. Sometimes it's small. It's something small.
By any reason, do you know why does it goes like that? Like, is it the water pressure? Do you know?
Yeah. The pipes.
Does it have to be like lowered?
Yeah, there might be air in the lines, and it hammers. It's called hammering.
Yeah.
You can kind of look it up probably on YouTube or something. Sometimes if you put like a separate section of pipe that just runs up, it gives the air somewhere to go.
Oh, okay.
And then when the water comes through, you know, there's air in the line someplace, or the pipes are loose in the walls. They're not strapped. They'll vibrate. You know, they get a frequency. And
yeah, because sometimes it goes like, boop, and it's like you can hear it like all over the house.
Yeah, I just heard it right here.
Yeah.
Echoing back through the water heater.
Lo yo acá también. Sí, pues dice que es la presión que tiene aire, y que la presión está muy alta, que se baja desde la calle. Porque si lo dice que si no tendría que cambiar las tuberías. Pero él no hace eso.
Well, the voltage isn't terrible. I mean, it's not great. It's about 400, and it's kind of jumping around a little bit. You can kind of see it kind of.
Yeah.
It should be more stable than that.
What could be the cause for it?
I see the wires. Looks like the wires are a little bit frayed. Right here. See that?
Yeah, yeah.
So we'll see if it works now. Probably not. It's probably a combination of both. My guess is it's probably the motherboard would be my guess, which is this right here, the cover.
Yeah.
Because it's just not coming on. And usually see that a lot. So I'll have to come back and I'll bring, you know, oh wait, I thought I heard it. Well, maybe it was just the spring. Yeah, it was just the plastic spring. So I'll have to come back and I'll bring parts with me, and then that way I can start switching parts out till I catch it.
Sounds good.
All right, so we'll see you later on.
We're ready.
Okay. All right, we're back for the service call. Brought a replacement cover. Try that. Hey, I'm back.
Good, good. Oh, damn, that was fast.
I'm sorry?
That was fast.
Oh, yeah, well, I'm trying this first, so I think it might be the board, right? I think we were talking about. So I'll test that, and then if that's not it, then I brought a burner assembly, and that ought to do it.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's one or the other. So if I had one with me, I would have done it when I was here. But, hopefully that's it. Otherwise, I gotta pull it out, put the new one in, redo it.
Hopefully it's just that.
Yeah. Yeah, we're hoping.
I'll be inside, I'll let you work.
Okay.
Just let me know if you need anything.
All right, yeah, thank you.
No problem.
Alright, so we got pilot. So it lit up with the box. So it appears to be the thermopile. Okay, this is the replacement burner assembly. We got some banging pipes there. Alright, she's working. So the LED is actually out on this cover. But it's on and running. Alright, well that's it. Water heater's all fixed. LED is out. Nothing we can do about that. Appreciate you watching this video. Consider subscribing and have a great day.